The final round of heavy rain and thunderstorms likely to bring widespread flooding to New South Wales and parts of Queensland. And we can see the weather system that's going to drive this rain and storm activity in the water vapour. This large upper level trough starting to stand up through central parts of Australia. And that's tapping into tropical moisture, and you can see that moisture really starting to blossom right across New South Wales this morning, and that's going to continue into tonight and tomorrow, bringing widespread heavy rain and thunderstorm activity. And because of that, severe weather warnings are current for heavy rainfall and damaging winds, extending from Newcastle all the way down to Wollongong, including Sydney and communities further inland. Now, if you live in this yellow area, you could experience some rain heavy enough to lead to flash flooding, and damaging winds could also be strong enough to bring down trees and power lines, particularly tonight and into tomorrow morning. But the main story really is for our inland communities across New South Wales, where we already have moderate to major flood warnings current for many rivers, and the additional 30 to 50 millimetres of rainfall today and tonight is likely to lead to renewed river level rises across many of our rivers, creeks and streams in New South Wales. And that's likely to lead to possible inundation of homes, properties and businesses, as well as widespread flooding of agricultural land, impacting crops and livestock, as well as causing major disruptions for all travel, particularly in inland New South Wales, as many roads are likely to be flooded, impassable, closed or even cut off. We also have many flood watches current as well, extending from Queensland all the way into northern Tasmania. And this just means if you live in these areas, additional rainfall is likely to lead to renewed river level rises and possible flooding in many of these highlighted areas. Now, looking at the rainfall in more detail, we can see that rainfall picking up overnight and this morning, and going to be a widespread band of heavy rain and thunderstorms this afternoon, extending from central Queensland all the way down to eastern and southeastern New South Wales. We then may see a low pressure system develop in this band of rain as we move into tonight and then tomorrow morning, and then it could rapidly deepen off the coast of New South Wales. But thankfully it's going to continue moving away, and that's going to quickly contract the rainfall away from New South Wales and into parts of southeast Queensland and northeast New South Wales. But the good news is by Monday there is no rainfall across many of our flood affected areas, with just some light coastal showers on the east coast. But that does mean that even though the rain has stopped, our flooded rivers, creeks and streams will likely be peaking on Sunday and Monday as today's rainfall makes its way into our rivers, creeks and streams. So it is important that you stay up to date with the latest forecasts and warnings if you live in this area or know someone that does. And you can stay up to date by using our website, app and social media, and listen to all advice from emergency services.